everybody. My name is Maria Gabriela Piña Cardona. I am 27 years old. I am from Cartagena, Colombia. I live with my mother and my cousin in Cartagena, Colombia. I am a supervisor in a cleaning company. I am a student of psychology. My hobby is listen to music and read books. My favorite TV show is Friends and Naruto Shippuden. My favorite sport is baseball. There are two people in my family. My mother is Carmen Piña. She is 50 years old. She is a nurse. She is from Mates, Bolívar. My mother is very nice. She is short. Her eyes are brown and she has brown hair. My cousin is Maria Piña. She is 22 years old. She is a student. She is from Caracas, Venezuela. My cousin is very smart. She is tall. Her eyes are black and hair is blonde. My cousin is my best friend. We lie with my family. Bye.